Let's see how to connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger. At first we will add our Squarespace domain to Hostinger hosting, and after that we will change the DNS settings for our Squarespace domain. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Here you will see the hosting section. Click on manage from here. Now from the left menu, click on the websites drop down. Click on add website. Click create a website and then click on next. Now you can go with WordPress, Hostinger website builder, empty PHP or HTML website. But don't worry, you can change it later on after adding your domain. For now, I will select empty PHP/HTML website. And now we need to add our Squarespace domain here. Now select the domain from here and it will show you notification. This domain is registered at another provider. You will have to verify it. Now click on next from here. And as you can see that our Squarespace domain is now added to our Hostinger hosting. Now click on check guide. And now we need to update the Squarespace name servers to these name servers. Copy these name servers from here. Now go to Squarespace and log into your account. After that, click on domains from the top and select the domain that you want to connect to Hostinger. Now click on DNS from here and after that click on domain name servers. And here you will see an option use custom name servers. Just click on it. Now we need to copy the name servers from Hostinger and paste them here. After that just click on save button and in this way your Squarespace domain will be connected to Hostinger. It will take around 24 hours to propagate completely. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.